Viva Viva market update. Muito quick. Let's look at Bitcoin and fear greed index today. Today is 48. Yesterday 53. Last week people were greedy. Now there's some news that came out and people are becoming bearish again. But something that I noticed that might change that because of what Bitcoin will probably do within two to three or a week from now, probably just by the weekend. This might happen. Okay, so let's look at BTC. Actually, vamos primeiro olhar na short time frame. Vamos olhar aqui for the 4 hours time frame that we're looking for. I'm just going to show you something that I've been noticed for quite a while. And actually I trade this this heads and shoulders I keep seeing here. Hold on, let me just clear this up. Let's do it. Okay, let's lift this bad boy right up here. Okay, good. Well, we're gonna start on February. As you guys know, I like to go back a little bit. So I want to show you guys something very interesting that I keep seeing. It's heads and shoulders. Bitcoin have been making a lot of heads and shoulders. If you guys notice here on February the 21st, we got shoulder, we got a head, and we got a shoulder right there. It's a small one. It's not perfect, you know. As a trader, you know heads and shoulders, whatever structure that you trade is not perfect. But yeah. As you notice, inverted, for those that don't know what a heads and shoulder means, it's basically a market structure. And when it's inverted, the way it is that the heads is at the bottom and the shoulders as well, that's bullish. And as you notice, you play exactly as supposed to. So at the same time, it formed another heads and shoulder right here. And you can see the shoulders right here. You can see the head. And you got a small shoulders right here at the bottom. When there's this position, the head is on top and the shoulders right here on the top. That's a bearish. As you can see here, there's a small actually you had this small played out here, this small could call it yeah, just a small downtrend, let's say it. Okay, at this I think you guys are catching up what I'm trying to say here. If you notice again, there was Bitcoin made another heads and shoulders right over here. You got a shoulder there, you got a head right here, you got another shoulder. What happened? Bitcoin went down a little bit and kind of pulled back right here. Did a pullback here, which is bullish, and then we just ramp up to 44. At the same time, if you guys noted, one thing that Bitcoin kept doing again, as soon as we got rejected at a 200-day movement average, which is 48,000, we got a head, we got a small shoulders right here. It's not perfect, as I told you guys. We got another. We can call that a head as well, but we can probably just say that the shoulders right here. So can you guys see it? So he made another head, shoulders. What happened? At this time, he actually just to pump a little bit, and then I wouldn't call that heads and shoulders, but what you see is that Bitcoin have been making lots of heads and shoulders, and it's very interesting. Now I keep seeing people saying, Bitcoin is bullish, it's going to the moon. But come on, she's making some weird trackings here. Let me just clear this up here. Right. I'm gonna show you something very bullish for Bitcoin that she's moving. She's actually making on a daily time frame, which is for those that kind of losing hope until we out of Bitcoin has one more shot. That I believe she'll be within a week or even a couple of days. She's gonna come back here and test it the 48 again. But what I find out she might be going to 52, 52. Okay, let's change the daily time frame so I can show you guys what I just got here. Okay, awesome. Let's let me just open a little bit so you guys can actually see. And then I'll zoom in after. I want you guys to see what I'm seeing here. Okay, let's go to my pen here. Okay, look what Bitcoin did here. It went up, down, down, and down. For those that doesn't know, I know it's horrible, but it's a flag, you know. And how do you trade a flag? It's very simple. If you have a flag that is pointing down, or even you can call this a wedge as well, a down wedge. If right now, what you can see, Bitcoin is doing a perfect pullback, and the next one I believe is gonna be a big green candle that is gonna get us to probably 50. Just come and retest that, and we go from there. Let's do it. Let's go and find out what's a flag so you guys can see it. So at least if you know, for those that are training, if you come on about that and then probably know how to trade that. So, oh my goodness. Look what we got. We got a lot of flex from, from different countries. That's not what I'm looking for. Come on. Okay. Let's do BTC right here. I should have put in pattern. I think that's what it is. But we got one there, so it's sorry. Okay, good. The we can play. We can actually do it. That we can use this. Okay, what we looking for? What we are. I want a colorful one so you guys can actually like it. Not this one. Okay, this one we can use this. Okay, as you guys can see, what Bitcoin's form is this one here, the first one, which is bull flag, which you guys see is playing exactly as we expect Bitcoin to actually pump. I think this one, since it has a better, okay, good. It's not exactly as we have them, but there you can see it right here at the top. It's not really, oh, hold on, oh, right here. This one here is almost exactly as we Bitcoin's pull. Have you can you guys see here the pullback at the end? Those two red candles right here. This is what we actually experience right now on the daily time frame. As you can see it, there's two red candles, and what I'm expecting here, it's a big, probably a couple green candle or a big candle, and then we just rip it to 200-day movement. So that's what I'm seeing right now. Preparing to get into this trade, because what I'm seeing hidden very simple. This we can do. We can go back to the last pullback, which is this one right here, and we just push it up to the high as a touch right there. And then normally you just grab this little stick, and I'm putting right over here. Yeah. So we're looking at Bitcoin hitting 53K. Is that gonna happen? I don't know, guys. But this is bullish. This flag pattern right here, this is bullish. So this isn't a daily time frame, so I don't know how long would it take, but I believe within 1 to 2, the latest 3 days, we're gonna have another retester here. This blue line is the 200-day moving average. So I believe Bitcoin is just gonna rip it through it and come and retest the 53. Okay, guys, this is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let's get to the money.